Okay, good morning class 7 students. So exercise 2C, the last two questions I am going to explain today. So let us start with question number 13. So this type of question also discussed in the previous day. So again I am doing these two questions again for you. So see at the board and try to understand. The sum of two numbers is minus 6 by 5. If one of them is minus 2, find the other. सम मतलब प्लस करना है, ऐड मतलब प्लस करना है, सम मतलब प्लस करना है। दो नंबर को प्लस करोगे तो आंसर आएगा माइनस 6/5। जिस दो नंबर को माइनस कर रहे हैं उसमें से एक वन ऑफ देम, एक अगर -2 होगा, दूसरा क्या नंबर होगा जो -2 से प्लस करोगे आंसर -6/5 आएगा। तो पहले मैं दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट इन द मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म। So first of all I am writing in mathematical form. What I will write here, sum of two numbers. Okay, now one of them is -2, find the other. मतलब -2 के साथ -2 if you add with dash fill in the blanks, what number you will come here which you will add with -2 so that the answer will come -6/5. Okay, this is the mathematical form of the statement given. So now what you have to do first, before starting solving, you have to see the two rational numbers given are okay or not. -2 is not a rational number, it is a negative integer minus number. First of all, we will change this minus number into a rational number. All of you know, if I write -2 and draw a line below -2, what number will come? Always 1 is come. कोई भी नंबर के नीचे लाइन बनाओगे तो 1 आ गया, प्लस का प्लस वैसे रहेगा, डैश का डैश इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे क्या देख रहा हूं, the rational number is -6/5 and this minus is just by the side of this line. इस लाइन के साइड में है, ये सही नहीं है, इसको सही कैसे करोगे? बहुत इजी है. This type of problems you have done in the previous day also. Minus, you can write this one like this. Here minus you write right before 6 and draw this line as it is and by the 5. So this I can write like this. Now check these two rational numbers okay or not. What I have to check here, that okay, now that checking we will do it later. Now what you have to see that what number will come here which will add with -2/1 to get this answer. So what will come, this type of problem you have done. So what you have to do here, this one if you subtract from this one, the answer which you will get, that will be added with -2/1. So you have to subtract this one from this. Okay, so we write down minus, you have to subtract -2/1 from which one? From -6/5. Okay, so if you subtract -2/2/1 from -6/5, whatever answer will come, that answer will be that rational number which you will add with -2/1 to get -6/5. So this statement how to do, all of you know. from के बाद जो लिखा है उसको पहले लिखते हैं -6/5, माइनस का माइनस, सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा माइनस करना, उसके बाद आएगा -2/1. फाइन. Next what you see, now we'll start solving. So what you are seeing here, that between these two rational number, two signs are there. It should be one sign. The rule is that you know minus will become plus, other will remain as it is, -6/5. Minus become plus and 2/1 will remain 2/1. Now before adding these two rational number, you have to see whether below the line of both the rational numbers are plus number or they are not plus number. First we check with the first rational number -6/5. इस रैशनल नंबर में क्या देखा, लाइन के नीचे जो 5 है इसका कुछ नहीं मतलब ये +5 है, इट इज ओके देन. नाउ 2/1, लाइन के नीचे जो 1 है इसका कुछ साइन नहीं मतलब +1 है, तो लाइन के नीचे +1 नंबर आना चाहिए, प्लस नंबर होना चाहिए, ये 1 +1 ही प्लस नंबर है, तो बोथ द रैशनल नंबर्स आर ओके. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द एडिशन ऑफ दिस टू रैशनल नंबर्स. नाउ बिफोर एडिंग वी हैव टू सी दैट बिलो द लाइन of both the rational numbers are different. So what you have to do, you have to find LCM to make the number below the line same. The LCM of 5 and 1, okay, draw an L. Now you have to divide this two number by prime number. First we check with the first prime number 2. 2 is not dividing both of the numbers, so 2 we cannot take. Next prime number 3 comes, 3 also not dividing both of the number, so we cannot take the 3 number. Then 5, next prime number is 5. 5 is dividing this 5 but not dividing 1. So 5 is dividing this 5 number but not dividing 1. The rule is at least from here at least two number it should divide the number which we will write here. So 5 we cannot write. After that all the prime numbers are big prime numbers which will not divide this two numbers. So what to do now? when no prime numbers are there which can divide this 2, then what you have to do? Simple thing, multiply this 2 number. 5 ones are 5, and this 5 will give you the LCM of this 2 number 5 and 1. Now come here, minus 6 upon 5 you write as it is. अब नंबर के नीचे का 5 है, 5 से क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? LCM 5 आएगा, 1 मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। तो रूल क्या बोलता है? माइनस लाइन के ऊपर जो माइनस 6 है इसको भी 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। प्लस का प्लस 2 upon 1 का 1 as it is. Now 9 के नीचे 1 है, अब 1 से क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 5 होगा, और अब 1 से 5 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 1 5 are 5. So 2 also have to multiply with 5. Okay, now draw this line, 6 1 is 6. This minus will remain as it is, minus here, 5 1 are 5. Plus का plus, line का line, 5 2 are 10, and 5 1 are 5. Now line के नीचे का दोनों रैशनल नंबर सेम हो गया, 5 5 हो गया। अब बड़े से लाइन बनाओ, 2 5 की जगह write down only 1 5. Above the line minus 6, write minus 6. This is above the line. Plus is there, write plus. Above the line 10, write above the line 10. Next step, draw this line as it is. Line के नीचे 5. Now you see this two number, one is plus number and another is minus number. जब आपको के सामने ये वाला प्लस नंबर है, 6 का माइनस है, माइनस नंबर है। जब आपको के सामने एक प्लस और माइनस नंबर होता है, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? दोनों को माइनस करते हैं। जब माइनस करोगे, you write the big number at first 10. Below this big number, you write the small number 6. Now you have to subtract this two. 0 is small than 6. 0 एक पेंसिल को बोलेगा मुझे एक पेंसिल दे दो। एक पेंसिल क्या करेगा? 0 के पास एक पेंसिल लेके आएगा। एक पेंसिल दे दिया, यहाँ पे कितना रहेगा? कुछ पेंसिल नहीं रहेगा। अब 10 पेंसिल है, 6 पेंसिल दो, कितना रहेगा? 10 पेंसिल में 6 पेंसिल दे दोगे, 4 रहेगा। 6 का कुछ नहीं मतलब, you can write a 0 number here, 0 minus 0 0. 0 4 मतलब actually it is 4. Okay, before the 4 0 is there, is no meaning. So now what answer you got? 4. Then you can write down 4 here. So this is the answer we got. That means 4 upon 5 will come here, which you will add with minus 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1, you will get the answer minus 6 by 5. So answer is, what number you will add? 4 by 5. Okay. Now come to the next one. Now we'll come to the next one, 14th question. What should be added to minus 7 by 12 to get 3 by 8? मतलब minus 7 by 12 के साथ कौन सी दूसरी रैशनल नंबर ऐड करोगे, मतलब प्लस करोगे तो आंसर ये आएगा। तो राइट दिस वन in the mathematical form. So minus 7 by 12 plus dash is equal to 3 by 8. मतलब minus 7 by 12 के साथ यहाँ पे और एक रैशनल नंबर होगा जिसको निकालना है, वही रैशनल नंबर इसके साथ ऐड करोगे तो आंसर 3 by 8 आएगा। So this statement I have written in mathematical form. Now this type of problem is same like the previous one. To get this number which you are going to add with minus 7 by 12, how you will get? You have to subtract this from this one. That means subtract minus 7 by 12 from which one? 3 by 8. Okay? You have to subtract minus 7 by 12 from 3 by 8. So this one, how will you write now? From के बाद जो लिखा है तो उसको पहले लिखते हैं, all of you know. Then subtraction, for subtraction we put a minus sign. Then the second number minus 7 by 12. Fine. Now you see this two rational number. Between this two rational number, two signs are there. There should be always one sign. Then apply the rule. Minus minus will become plus. 3 by 8 will remain as it is. Minus minus will become plus. 7 by 12 will remain as it is. Now you have to add this two rational number. Before adding the two rational number, you have to check whether दो rational number का line के नीचे वाला number सब plus है कि नहीं. So what we are seeing here, below 8, no sign is there, means it is plus sign is there, it is a plus number, so it is okay. Now check this rational number below the line 12. Before 12, no sign is there, means it is a plus 12. So below the line it should be a plus number, so plus number is 12 is plus number, so it is okay. Now we will start the addition of this two rational number. Before adding, now we have to see that below the line both the numbers are different. What you have to do, you have to make the number same. How to make the number same? Well, we have to find the LCM of 12 and 8. Write 12 and 8 and draw an L. First check with the prime number 2. देखना पड़ेगा दो यहाँ लिख पाओगे तभी जब ये दोनों को डिवाइड कर दे. Yes, 2 is dividing both the number, so we write 2. 12 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे 6 आएगा, 6 लिखो. 8 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे कॉमा डाल के 8 को 2 से डिवाइड 4 आएगा. Again draw an L. Now again check with the first prime number 2 whether it is dividing this two number or not. Yes, 2 is dividing both the numbers, so we can write true as per the rule. Now 6 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे 3 आएगा, 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे आएगा 2. Okay, next is now 3 and 2 is there. Now first of all again we check with the prime number 2. Can we write 2 here? We cannot write 2 because 2 सिर्फ 2 को डिवाइड करा, 3 को डिवाइड नहीं करा. कम से कम दो नंबर को डिवाइड कर देना चाहिए. So leave 2. Now check with the next prime number 3. 3 क्या होता है? 3 is not only dividing this number 3 but cannot divide 2. So we cannot take 3 prime number. Next prime number is 5. 5 से दोनों को डिवाइड ही नहीं करता. उसके बाद जितने भी बड़े प्राइम नंबर सारे बड़े प्राइम नंबर है, इन दोनों से बड़े हैं जो प्राइम नंबर इन दोनों को डिवाइड नहीं कर पाएगा. Then that means you have to stop the division here. Now you have to find the LCM of 12 and 8. What you have to do? You know the rule. All the numbers here you have to multiply. So LCM will come equal to how much? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, multiply, 3 2s are 6. Now 6 4s are 24. The LCM of 12 and 8 is 24 coming. Now come here, write 3 upon 8. Now line के नीचे का 8 है, 8 को 24 करना है. 8 you have to change into 24. Then what number will multiply with 8 to get 24? 8 3s are 24. So 3 को भी as per rule you have to multiply 3 with this 3 with 3 also. So plus 7 by 12 we write as it is. अब 12 से क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 24 होगा. 12 से 2 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 24 होगा. So रूल क्या बोलता है? 7 वाला लाइन के ऊपर वाला 7 को भी you have to multiply with 2. Now 3 3s are 9 coming. Draw the line. 3 8s are 24. Plus का plus 7 2s are 14 and 12 multiplied 2 is 24. Now what you are seeing here, both the numbers below the line of both the rational numbers has become same. Now the next day what you will do? Draw a big line. 2 24 की जगह 1 24 लिखो लाइन के नीचे. लाइन के ऊपर 9 है, 9 लिख दो. प्लस का प्लस लाइन के ऊपर 14 है, 14 लिख दो. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, ड्रॉ अ बिग लाइन. लाइन के नीचे 24 है, 24 लिख दो. Now 19 plus 4 is 23. 19 plus 4 is 23. So answer will be, so what you will add with minus 7 by 12 to get 3 by 8? This answer you will write here, 23 by 24. So answer is, the answer is 23 by 24. This rational number you have to add with minus 7 by 12 to get 3 by 8. So today up to this much. Next day we will start a new topic regarding how to multiply rational number. Thank you.